Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely one of my favorite gas grills, and I've been very, very pleased with this. I've always enjoyed having Weber's, and this is their latest Genesis S315 model, and it has made some big improvements from the past Genesis grill that I have had. So let's go over all the various features. So first off, right off the bat, let's talk about size. This is a 3-burner grill. You can see the handles are right here in the front. The overall size is 57 and 3/4 inches kind of long. It's about 27 inches in depth and about 48 inches in height as far as the overall size of it. As you can see, I have the version here. It's all stainless steel, which helps with rust and everything at least in the environment that I live in. Now, the actual burners themselves, the first thing that they've changed are the actual kind of turning nozzles. You're gonna easily be able to twist it, push in and turn it straight to the ignition so it evenly lets out that gas. Once you get it started, then you can push it down and adjust it to whatever heat setting you want. Once again, very, very easy to use, very fluid as far as motion and everything, which I absolutely like. Now, at the very end is the electric starter. Now, that is a big improvement compared to other Weber grills I've had in the past. First off, it's very, very kind of flush with the front, and more importantly, they've put the battery in the grill compartment underneath, so it's completely out of weather exposure. You don't have to worry about water getting in there and messing anything up, because that was the one thing on my other grills that I would have to replace every few years was the starter. This one has been absolutely amazing. Very, very pleased with that change. Now, obviously, just like the other grills, you're gonna have the cabinet down below. Once again, very easy to put in your propane tank. It's got that electric starter section, and then you also have your grease tray. Everything's easy to wide open to change out and swap out. The wheels are very fluid, so it's easy to move this grill around, but it does have the locking wheels. They're nice and red, so that way you can lock it and keep it in position. You're also gonna notice you have the shelving on either side that allows you to place down your plates and whatever you need to. And then on either side, you're also gonna have 3 slots for hanging your tools. So if you have any grill tools that you wish to hang out here, you've got the room to do that as well. So they thought about all the accessories in addition to the grill itself. Now, as you can see, the lid, the one I had here is that stainless steel look, just because it looks classy for one, and then just because of the environment I absolutely like. Now, you will notice it does have the temperature gauge on the front, just like you would expect. A nice handle, easy to grip, to open, that's gonna keep from getting hot because it is separated and insulated. And then on the inside here, you do have, obviously, the warming shelf above that is fully removable. So if you don't want it and you want the extra room, you can take it off. You also do have the slots for the various rotisserie accessories. If you have any of those, that gives you that option to do that. Now, as far as the grill grates themselves, it's gonna come in 2 pieces. You're gonna have a larger piece, and a smaller piece is once again made out of stainless steel. So it's gonna help with that rusting and make it last a lot longer. Then you are going to have, essentially down below, you're gonna have those flavor bars that help keep the flare up, so when the juice hits it, it goes off to the side. You don't have any juices hitting directly that flame, and then it basically also allows it to vaporize that juices and go back to the meat, allowing you to have a just nicer, richer meal when utilizing it. Now, as Weber is known for, you get a nice clean blue flame from that propane. It's a nice even flame all the way across, which is obviously very, very consistent and nice to have when cooking on a grill. So all these various elements are well thought out of, and they're also replaceable. So if you have anything, one of them gets like corroded over time, you can go ahead and replace them without having to replace your whole grill, which is a nice forethought for down the future with the various elements. The little flavor bars have a tendency to get a lot more grease on them, and so they will have a tendency to corrode faster than the other components, so you can easily swap them out as you need, which is a great aspect of it. But overall, it does a very, very even heating. Don't have any issues with the flare-ups. You get a nice, smooth blue flame. Absolutely an amazing grill. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a new gas propane grill, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.